Understanding gradient patterns. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of gradient patterns. This is an interesting phrase that can be used in various contexts, including design, mathematics, and everyday conversation. Let's dive into what this means and how you can use it in your English conversations. First, let's understand what a gradient is. A gradient refers to a gradual change in color, intensity, or texture. Think of a sunset, where the sky changes colors from blue to orange and then to dark blue. This change is not abrupt but happens gradually. In English, the word gradient can be used metaphorically as well, such as discussing a gradual change in opinion or feeling. Now, let's talk about patterns and gradients. When we combine the idea of a gradient with a pattern, we get a design or sequence that changes gradually. For instance, a fabric might have a gradient pattern with colors fading from dark to light. In conversation, when someone mentions a gradient pattern, they are often referring to something that has a smooth, seamless transition from one state to another. Understanding how to use this phrase in a sentence can be really helpful. Here are a few examples. 1. The artist used a gradient pattern in her painting to create a sense of depth. 2. I noticed a gradient pattern in his attitude over the years, gradually becoming more optimistic. 3. The wallpaper has a beautiful gradient pattern, shifting from green to blue. And that's a wrap on gradient patterns. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a gradient pattern is and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these new phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.